We have, ano, wait. All right, are we live? We're checking out our monitors right here. Okay, we are live. There we go. So sorry about that. So we're back. Sorry. I don't know what happened there. So we have to check if our chat
Okay,
is working.
before tayo umalis, Jong, before tayo naputol sandali kanina, kita naman natin, the Aston Boys, Fernando Alonso and Lance Stroll, they took Nico Hulkenberg already.
Oh, okay.
So they are now 11th and 12th. Outside the points finishing position, but doing good.
Yeah. Sorry, Kai Chin. Hindi ko alam ano nangyari. So suddenly there is a glitch. We don't know. Happened a while ago in our race in the circuit. So there we go. So recap a little bit. So we are on lap number 29 still. Miles, anything that you could add?
Well, Piastri is still 3.9 seconds away from Norris. Piastri.
No? Meron ba silang ano? Meron bang race directive from Andrea Stella na you're free to race each other? I don't think so. Parang
Hindi
they're
ba eh?
trying.
I'm pretty sure free to race sila. Wala namang sinabi na ano sa talaga. So far ha, parang let them race naman yung ang approach ni Andrea Stella sa kanila.
What's going on? There we go. Sorry with the internet. I don't know. Our internet is very strong. So it's raining hard right here. Sorry na wala tuloy kayo. I don't know what's going on right here. Mas, can you check if our F1 dash is still working?
Working naman ang F1 Dash. Working naman ang stream natin. Naputol lang talaga yung live stream natin to Facebook.
No, it's
Ay,
cut
yung
already
live
na.
stream
I
natin in
don't know
general.
what's this.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Maybe you just need to refresh yung ano natin, Jong.
I did already.
Bay, hindi lang tayo
No.
ang nawawala. Pati
Sino?
yung feed ng Sky Sports nawawala.
Oh, CrowdStrike. Are we having problem with CrowdStrike again?
Road strike yan.
Wow, it's a sponsor of the ano.
Lewis Hamilton.
hindi lang Mercedes.
Yeah. Sige, guys.
Pero okay pa naman ang video feed ko dito. Fox Sports na video feed through KO.
Okay. Okay,
So
guys,
at the moment we are lap 30 and Charles Leclerc in P5 has just got the fastest lap. Pero Piastri pa rin na nangunguna. Piastri P1. Norris is 4.1 seconds behind. 4.2 actually. Lewis Hamilton is another 4.45 seconds behind Lando Norris, and Verstappen is 1.8 behind Hamilton. So talaga very spread out ang ating front runners, no. Medyo uneventful at this point, pero we'll see.
Yeah, kasi yung camera ngayon nakakalat. Unlike nung last race, they were really focused on the top 5, di ba? Remember?
Top 5 lang, di ba? Oo. Well, I guess
At this game,
andun yung ano
boys
eh,
na tayo.
yung action, no?
Yeah.
And kasi sa ngayon, nakikita natin sa top 10 si Russell lang ang ano eh. Ang medyo interesting kasi siyang within DRS ni Tsunoda.
But, bantayan
He has
ninyo,
a chance to overtake Tsunoda here.
Verstappen is just a few inches
2.1.
away from Hamilton. Diba? Is going to be interesting.
Saving tires pa yata ito si Verstappen. Tingin nyo. 2.1. Verstappen. He's actually 1.7 na 1.6. Hinahabol niya si Hamilton.
Okay, we're
Actually,
Yeah, he's
sabi ni Luis kanina,
green.
he's struggling with grip na.
back. Oh, with the hard
Ah,
tires? With the hard
with
tires?
hards.
Yeah,
Mm.
hard tires na. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Mahirap yan.
Wow, it's already it's still lap ano ba to?
Lap 32.
Yeah, lap 32. Wow. I think we're good. Are we good? It's
Yan.
working? Yeah,
Perfect.
yeah, okay.
Yes, we're good. Carl, sa TV ka na lang manood,
Ah.
pwede. You could watch us.
Can we see
may
the checker
Facebook.
flag
Thank you so
now?
much for joining us.
Gonzalo, kaya na, relax. Inom muna tayo, inom.
Thank you, Heineken,
Okay,
for the
relax
beer.
lang. Tubig lang ako.
Yeah. Thank you, Heineken, for the beer that you've provided us. So far, so good. Back markers, yeah, as expected. So we mentioned that a while ago that Hungaroring is just like a
Yes. Parang
Monaco
Monaco lang.
without the walls. So
Without the walls.
there you go. Sometimes you have to ask why most of the racetracks are 70
There
laps.
was
50
a
laps.
change of position. I
Ah?
think it was Joe. It was Joe.
Joe Guan Yu?
Joe Guan Yu overtook Ricardo.
Yes. He just did.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, okay.
Correct.
Yo, Danny Rick, what happened?
Parang- Wala kasi tawag nito, walang nag-criticize kay Ricardo this week eh. Dapat may nag-ano sa kanya, may nag-criticize sa kanya, may nag... Para magalit siya
Sige.
ulit.
Pero
Hindi siya ginalit eh.
they did
Umpisahan
they
natin.
did good sa F3. Sa Q3. Pasok yung dalawang RB sa Q3. Hindi
Yes.
ko lang alam bakit naging kulelat na ito ngayon.
Yeah.
Sayang naman. Tapos
Look
si
at the gap.
Sonoda, nasira pa niya yung kotse niya.
Yes.
Okay,
Look
no?
at the gap between the two Ferrari boys.
Any
Yes,
hush
the-
or fuss
Ocon.
in the in the radio with the Ferraris? Nothing.
Nothing. Wala pa.
Yeah, that is an
Wala pa
8-second gap. Okay, almost 9-second gap from
Mm.
Carlos and Charles. So, Carlos.
Gentlemen, Max Verstappen is now within DRS zone
DNRs.
range
Of Hamilton.
from Lewis
Yes.
Hamilton. This is really interesting.
Habol
Eh,
talaga, no?
tingnan, mas interesting ito. Tingnan niyo yung Piastri and Norris. From 4 seconds, naging 2.5 na lang. Piastri is,
No,
having problems?
because of the back marker of Esteban Ocon.
Ocon.
May mga back markers na.
Yeah, sana sponsor nyo.
Yep.
Burago
Andyan pa si
next
Ocon eh.
season. Oh, yeah, why not?
Sana sponsor nyo ang Burago next season.
Why not? Yeah.
Sulatan mo, Carl. Sulatan mo.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Russell is in the pits.
Yep.
We having problems.
Na-extend ni Russell yung hards niya?
The tire whisperer.
Ngayon, he's back on mediums na siya ngayon. And Verstappen is now 0.7 behind Hamilton. Malapit na to.
At 7
Malapit
tenths.
na to.
Tingnan natin.
7 tenths na lang.
Gasly, retard the car. Oh my God.
All cameras
Problem
are
talaga
now on
Alpine.
Lewis Max.
Yes. Classic. Ayun na,
Box to
naunahan na
tire
talaga.
the car. Yes.
Naunahan na talaga. Verstappen. Verstappen, Hamilton. They're having a bit of a battle here.
Oh, really? Wait. Problems with the F1 dash.
Yes, yes. Hamilton, he outbraked himself.
Oh!
Outbraked himself. Sobrang lakas ng tapak niya. Ayun, nakauna si Verstappen. Pero
Ay,
lumampas
naunahan,
eh. Kaya pala, lumampas pala si Verstappen. What?
Turn 3.
Nagigil.
On turn 3.
Nasobran. Hamilton still P3. Hamilton holds on to the lead. I mean, to the position for now.
Max overshoot at turn 3.
That was fun. Oh, grabe na. Nag-lock up si Hamilton eh. So, Verstappen took advantage pero nasobrahan ng gigil. Ayun, lumampas.
Sobrang gigil.
Ayun. Oh, that was fun. Good battle. Good battle. So, Hamilton survives for now. For now. So, ayun kagad, 1.1 kagad
Oh,
yung gap nila.
Sabi ko na sa inyo Piastri is struggling on his tires.
Piastri, yes, Piastri is having trouble na. I think he will have to pit soon.
Sayang, no?
Reklamo si Verstappen sa radio.
Ano reklamo niya?
Unbelievable.
In-air pa naman sana siya.
Wala, na-frustrate lang siya. Wala siyang, he cannot blame anyone there. Kasalanan niya yun. Lumampas siya eh. Hindi naman siya squeeze ni Hamilton. Wala, nainis na siya sa sarili.
Malayo si Hamilton sa kanya, di ba? Hamilton was
ang layo
really...
nila. Ang layo nila. Walang kasalanan si Hamilton. Na-frustrate lang siya.
Naano niya yung kanyang braking? Yeah. Super late
Hindi niya
braking on
na-control.
turn 3. Yeah. Natawa si Hamilton nun eh.
Oh, he's back in the RS range. 0.8. 0.8 na naman si Verstappen. 0.7. He's catching up again. DRS on. Down to 0.4.
Ah.
0.3. Andyan na, he's right behind Hamilton again.
Grabe ang DRS talaga ni ni Red Bull.
But effective talaga, no? So let's see, in a few seconds, they're gonna come out to the next DRS zone, which is I think ito na yung ito na yung start-finish line. Few more seconds. So Verstappen biding his time, and then he will try dito sa. There he goes. DRS on. Ay, hindi po pala. So talagang he's taking his time lang, pero pag simulan ito na. Straight. DRS on, 0.6, 0.61, 0.48, 0.32. What are you gonna do, Max? Not this time. 0.28, pero hindi niya nahabol. Hamilton survives for another lap.
Yeah.
This is fun.
While all cameras are on Max and Lewis, nakita natin the distance, the gap between Lando and Oscar is slowly getting small.
Lumalaki na, 7 seconds na.
Yes.
7 seconds between P2 Norris and Hamilton in P3. So especially
Because
ngayon
of
na na-clear na nila yung mga back markers, that's a huge relief for McLaren, having cleared Magnussen, Ocon, and Sargent. Mas malayo pa si Albon. So we have a bit of breathing room at the moment. Lap 38 na po tayo. Verstappen is still 0.7 behind Hamilton. Hinahabol pa rin. Further down the field, we have si Lance Stroll lang ang within DRS ni George Russell. Pero I don't think mahahabol niya si Russell this time.
Uy,
Medyo malayo siya.
meron
But
pala
right
akong
now,
announcement.
gentlemen, Charles Leclerc is joining the battle for third position. He's catching up with Max
Yes,
Verstappen at
dahan-dahan na. 1.5 na lang.
yes, within DRS range pa rin siya. So this
Yam,
is
anong
going to be
announcement mo, Yam?
interesting.
Announce ko lang pala na dumating na yung mga regalo ko para sa mga niece.
Oh, wow.
Uy,
Kakarating lang mga pamangkin, mga babaeng pamangkin.
Nice.
Tama, meron akong regalo sa inyo at the end of the season. Dumating na.
nice one.
Ano ba tayo niyan?
Right.
Meron ba tayo?
Verstappen still.
Pwede kami
Oy, binigyan na ng go signal si Lando. Okay to race daw.
Ayan. 1.3 lang yung gap no?
Wala bang
Let's see what Lando can
lalaking
do.
pamangkin? Meron. Relax. Relax.
Relax.
Si Jong na bahala doon.
Yeah, for sure.
Inuna
Tell your
lang
girlfriends
kay-
about it na lang.
Yeah.
Sana mag-join yung mga girlfriends ninyo dito.
All right, guys.
Hamilton, box.
Yeah, we are kind of struggling with the internet connection because it's raining. I think still raining hard outside, so I don't know what's going on with this. Kind of challenging.
Puputol ba dyan sa iyo, Jong?
Yeah,
Parang okay pa naman ang feed natin sa Facebook. I'm looking at it right now.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
the F1 dash is really messing up. Delay.
I see.
Yeah. Ay, walang GF. Walang GF, ha?
Wala. F1 ang shota F1
Yeah,
mismo.
of course.
Baka Justin, baka dito ka makakilala ng GF mo, di ba? Galing nun.
Ano,
Why
gagawin
not?
natin dating platform itong gagawin na natin dating platform itong stream na to.
And suddenly, the GF that you
Oh, Leclerc is
find-
now within DRS distance of Verstappen. 0.7.
Wow.
Humahabol si Leclerc.
Here we go. You know, guys, it's getting interesting actually. So this is
Yes, it is
no?
actually.
You know,
Now it's getting interesting
I
kasi
don't
dito na
know
si Leclerc.
yeah, this
Three-way
is going-
battle. Verstappen just overtook Hamilton. Verstappen,
Kasi
P3.
nagpit si Leclerc at saka si Hamilton.
Yan pala nagpit pala.
Yeah.
Nagpit pala si Hamilton at saka si Leclerc sabay. Akala ko nag-battle na naman.
This is interesting, huh? I think they're the first to pit with hard tires.
Kasi nga, ang kalaban nila, Jong, si Max, I think they are racing for third na.
Yeah, lap 48.
Oh, absolutely.
I
At this
agree.
point, they'll probably be racing for third.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Justin Dominic Villalon that lap 48 onwards would be the
Okay,
So-
very interesting no na si Hamilton just came out on hards, Leclerc just came out on mediums.
Oh
Uy,
yes, surprisingly.
uy,
Yeah,
Kaiba.
this is different.
Mukhang ito.
wonder how that's gonna
mukhang
pan out
mali na
later.
naman ang
Kailan kayo
strategy.
magpipit ulit kailan kayo magpipit yun si Leclerc ulit? It's only lap
Mali ang
41
strategy
ha,
ng
so
Ferrari.
mahaba pa.
Sayang naman.
Mahaba pa to.
Mediums. Piastri is really struggling with the tires na.
Ay, grabe He just went off the track. Grabe.
Cool.
Woo! Good save though. Good save. Buhay pa siya. Pero parang sign na yan.
Pinakita.
Kailangan na niya mag-pit.
It's not his skill, it's not his talent sa sasakyan yung problema nun. As evident in the replay. Yes,
Oo.
yes.
Sobrang dulas
Tama
na.
ka din. Tama ka din.
Verstappen nagrereklamo bakit daw
Ba't siya
pinapabayaan
na-undercut?
na ma-undercut siya. Sorry, Max. Ganyan talaga ang buhay.
Okay lang yan, Max. Gulong ng F1.
Gulong ng F1. I mean, Charles Leclerc on mediums, magpipit na naman siya nito. Carl, tawagan mo na sila, Carl. Sayang naman.
Baka kailangan lang nila ng pep talk galing kay Carl. So,
Okay,
Leclerc on mediums is fastest at the moment. 0.8 behind Hamilton. Maunahan pa rin si Hamilton yata.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's
Within
what,
DRS striking range.
Siyempre,
Hamilton here.
Charles Leclerc has more grip because he has the mediums,
Yes.
di ba?
On mediums.
Dapat habulin na niya kaagad si Lewis. Ano pa hinihintay niya?
Kasi
Kailangan
kaya yung
makuha
gulong niya
niya yan. Kasi kung hindi, wala.
Bumagal tuloy, 1.3. Kala ko yun na yun.
See? Hay nako.
Bumagal pa tuloy.
Sino bumagal?
Charles
Charlie
Leclerc.
Leclerc. Si Charlie
Leclerc.
Leclerc. Supposed to be makuha
Chucky
na niya si
Leclerc.
Hamilton kasi medium siya eh. Kailangan na niya makuha yan. Sayang
Come
naman.
on, Chucky.
Come on, Chuck.
Uy. Just watching the replay here. Nice overtake ni Manong Alonso. Sino yung team ni Alonso? Green. Di kick sauber yung ibang green. Aston Martin, sorry.
Aston Martin, yes. Kalimutan ko na.
Munti ka na nakalimutan, sorry. So, ano ba to?
Leclerc.
1.7. Norris is
Leclerc and
1.7,
Hamilton.
1.8 behind.
Leclerc and Hamilton has interesting battles as well.
Yes. 1.2. Kanina, DRS range yun siya kanina. Naka-medium pa siya. Fresh mediums, I should add.
He's just
Hindi
checking
baka
out
ano na,
his
baka hindi na fresh.
new teammate.
Baka hindi
He's
fresh
just
yung
checking
mediums.
out his new teammate. Teammate, tingnan natin.
Malay
hanggang
yun,
saan ka.
1.4, 1.3.
Yes.
Come on, Chucky.
Right now, Oscar Piastri has some sort of clean air above. In front of him with Alex
Yes.
Albon as a back marker nandyan. Kaya pa yan. But
Kasi Albon is far enough na yung parang komportable pa si Piastri. Hindi
Yeah.
hindi pa masyado compromised si Piastri eh.
And because of that, Max Verstappen has 2 or 3 back markers courtesy of K-Mag,
Mhm.
Esteban, and Logan.
That's right.
So he needs to clear all these 3 first before catching up with the Papaya Boys. So once again, thank you for joining us on our live watch along here in Hungary. Okay. Hope you're enjoying our F1 Dash kasi yun na nga. Kung nanonood ka lang
Francesca
sa-
Rafaela Torres. OMG, Piastri leading. Yes,
Piastri is
Francesca,
leading.
kanina pa, since lap 1.
Yes.
Yeah, while Miles
And
is saying,
us,
yeah, Miles.
Okay na nga.
sige Miles.
Yun na nga. Nawala ako. Anyway, kung nanonood kasi kayo sa feed ng F1, di ba? Hindi kasi nakikita lahat eh. So, with this pakulo ng mga F1 titos nyo, di ba? Makikita natin yung positions, di ba? Diba? Tulad ng sabi ko kanina, Verstappen needs to clear 3 back markers first before reaching the Papaya Boys. Diba? Hindi nakikita sa F1 feed yan. But here, nakikita natin. So, a clear picture of the whole track itself, track positions ng ating mga drivers.
Norris, Peter.
Also have
Pit-
air, dirty
Yeah.
air that they're saying.
Op,
Baka yan yung dirty air, yan yung tawag dito. Paano ba natin explain
Wait,
ito?
the wake.
Using
It's the
my
wake.
hands.
Okay. Ganito
Paano-
na din.
paano ba
Let
natin
me
explain
start
yung
it.
dirty air niya?
let me start.
Sige, si
If you're
Mansa lang.
familiar with, di ba, dirty air is like having not a clean air in front of you. Just like if you're familiar with wakeboarding, di ba? Yung waves na ginagawa ng speedboat na nagpo-pull sa'yo. Just like that. Hindi clear yung water eh. So may waves. So yung waves na yan or the dirty air, kung air man yan yung waves, parang hindi ka nagsaslice through dyan eh. So that's dirty air. Nahihirapan. Instead na if the air is, kumbaga, smooth, slipstream yan sa sasakyan mo, mas mabilis ka. Pero with the dirty air, mukhang somehow it would take a few hundreds of a second away from your time. Diba? So hindi kasi yung clean. So that's dirty air. Yun yung iniiwasan nila.
It's not only
I hope
that.
I got it right.
No, it's not only that. It's dirty air. It's the fumes, the smoke from the engines, the used intermediate tires or the tires that degrading every
Debris.
second, the debris that comes out on the tires, so marami pa dust and everything. So it's not a free air in front of you. So we all know that the cars are sucking air for it to breathe further. You're breathing the cars in front of you. So yun, that's the dirty air. It's not a clean air. Kaya yun.
So in short, yung dirty air na yan, mahirap mag-overtake pag may dirty air.
Hindi. Oh, pati
Yan
sakal.
ang problema dyan.
Sakal din yung engine. So it's not the clean
Saka
air
lang
that
engine
you need.
mo. Oh,
It's
kasi
not the clean air that you need. Sige,
That's
patuloy
right.
kayo. We're having a
So,
hard
yan
time
ang
with
the shortest way of describing it is, that's why they call it dirty air kasi hindi siya conducive for overtaking. Hindi siya ideal for overtaking.
Yeah. Okay, ito na lang. I did a Google search on it. What is dirty air in F1? Okay. Dirty air occurs in the corners where the cars are already in a grip-limited condition. The lead car effectively uses up the energy of the oncoming air and leaves behind air with low total pressure. Yun na yun.
Right.
That's more on technical.
Magulo siya
But
na
there's
air.
also a difference between the
Talagang
dirty
hindi siya
air
parte,
and the slipstream. Iba rin yung slipstream. Slipstream kasi, you're following that car, pero, ano bang pelikula yun ha? I forgot about that. Kumbaga, nakikisabay ka eh. If you're watching, I don't know, Cars ata, Lightning McQueen, di ba? You need to get as much closer you can get to the car in front of you. So parang iisang car na lang kayo. Diba? So you're not catching dirty air kasi magkakadikit kayo. And because of that, hinihila ka nung car in front of you. So the momentum is with you. Diba? So parang kumbaga kung sa cycling pa yan, ang tawag nila dyan is parang papahila ka eh. Nahihila ka because of the slipstream.
Nahihila
There's no
ka,
dirty
yes.
air kasi konti lang yung
Tumutulog
air
ka.
in between. Diba? So you could slingshot yourself out of the slipstream. Actually, that's an advantage for you. Yun na yun. Anyway,
Okay,
sino ba yung nagtanong nun?
Okay, so-
Norris,
Jose Javier.
While we were answering that question, Verstappen has just taken the lead kasi nagpit ang dalawang McLaren. They're now both on mediums and are running P2 and P3.
And since the undercut is very strong on this racetrack, Norris was able to undercut Piastri.
Grabe, no? Ang bilis, no?
but
Just like that.
they're bothered with the lots of back markers. So this is going to be interesting as well. Kasi they're gonna use these back markers as, strategy as well.
Yes.
So,
Ito
yun
na
yung-
lang, malas
Talagang, oo.
malas lang ni Verstappen ngayon kasi instead of parang pulling away from the pack, 'di ba? He needs to contend with all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 back markers in front of him. 'Di ba?
While
So hindi siya
Norris is
makabuelo.
just bothered with one, which is Bottas.
Bottas, 'di ba?
Mm.
Yun.
Yun lang.
Tama.
Pero if Verstappen plays it smart, or well, if any other driver na nasa unahan, no? Verstappen, Norris, Piastri, if they play their cards well, pwede nilang gamitin yung mga back markers for DRS. Yan ang isang advantage ng may back marker ka sa harapan. So they can actually, so yes, may naging discussion din ito last time, di ba? Kung pwede ba gamitin ang DRS on a back marker, and the answer is yes. So it's one thing to consider pag may back marker ka kung kailan mo siya gustong unahan. Kasi gusto mo siyang gamitin as parang slingshot mo rin siya. But then, you have to consider yung humahabol sa'yo. Because they might be thinking the same thing. Baka hinihintay ka lang nila.
Okay, Verstappen, tinawag na for pits.
Yes. Here we go.
2.3. 2.3 seconds.
Ayun. So, 2.3. Ang bilis, no? Hindi naman super bilis, pero not bad. Not bad.
Yeah. What's this?
Not bad,
Jose,
not bad.
Javier, Ham
Average.
for podium, probably. But we're still lap 50. So we have 20
Yep,
more
20
laps
laps to go.
So Hamilton for podium, probably, hopefully. Jong would be delighted with that.
Of course.
And
Why not?
yes. So we'll just wait.
Oy,
So
Verstappen took mediums. Norris, Piastri, medium. Leclerc, medium. But Leclerc's medium is already aged, di ba? Ilang
Yes.
ilang laps year ano na to,
Good
ilang
yan.
laps na.
Magpipit pa yan.
So ibig sabihin Verstappen would take Leclerc's place and might take Lewis Hamilton's place.
yes.
Oh,
Okay,
interesting.
Checo right now is doing purple sa purple na. Nagpa-purple po si Checo Perez. So
He
he's
is, yes.
trying
Okay.
his best to catch up
Pero
with George
he's
Russell.
14 seconds behind Russell. So,
Yes.
baka yan na yung place ni Sergio unless he pits. Ewan ko. He might end up finishing lower.
Jong, pwede ba
No,
tayo
kasi
magpa-sponsor ng
Last
pulutan?
lang tayo, so
Ano?
Pa-sponsor din tayo ng pulutan.
Oh, yeah. Soon. Gents, I'm just
De,
having
ganito
hard
na lang. Kung sino sa mga pamangkin, kung sino sa mga pamangkin mo gusto mag-donate sa'yo, di ba? PM lang.
Oh, yeah.
Yung mga kaka-check-in lang ngayon, baka nakalimutan nyo, we have the hashtag TPS niece and your location for ladies and hashtag TPS nephew location if you are a male. So we can see our demographics. One of the demographics.
yeah. Tell us where you're watching from. Gusto namin malaman.
Yeah, I was still here. The F1 Dash is, giving us
Oo,
problems.
medyo mabagal talaga ang
Yeah.
F1 Dash natin.
Sluggy si F1 Dash.
Sa
Connection
tingin
yun.
ko si
Crowd
Hindi
strike
sa
yan.
akin, hindi naman yung connection sa akin. I think yung connection ninyo dyan papuntang F1 Dash ang medyo mabagal ngayon. Malakas pa rin ba
sa
ulan?
tingin ko at hindi na po. Si F1 Dash kasi duda ko Red Bull yan siya, Red Bull. Red Bull fan si F1 Dash. Sinasadya ata yun. But anyway,
Justin Dominic
Jong, baka-
Villalon, chooks to go.
baka na crowd strike ka, Jong.
I don't know. Looks like it.
So Leclerc right now is within DRS distance of Lewis Hamilton. Well, he was a second ago. Ngayon, nabalik na naman to 1.0, 1.1. But yeah, he's slowly making his way closer to Hamilton. May chance pa rin na maagawan niya ng podium spot. But we'll see.
Tingnan
Kasi
niyo ha, si
magkaiba
Verstappen.
sila ng strategy eh.
Tingnan ninyo ha, si Verstappen started 5 seconds away from Charles. Ngayon, is 1.3 seconds na.
Okay lang. Okay, ito.
So-
Jose. Really doing good, really doing good. Effective yung kanyang used mediums na nilagay sa kanyang second pit stop. Okay. Going to the comments right now, Jose Javier, may watch party sa TAF? Yes, there is. Nahiya. Huwag kang mahiya.
Sana ako kaso nahiya.
Huwag kang mahiya. Kasi once you're there, di ba, regardless of age, sex, religion, or sabihin natin political affiliation, nawawala yan. Kasi isa lang mundo natin. F1. Diba? So, you are with fellow fans, fellow hobbies, kumbaga, ika nga.
Yes.
So, you're welcome there. You're welcome. We speak the same language, kumbaga. So, next time, pwede ka manood doon. Okay? And be part of the F1 PH live viewing community. Okay? They're spread all around the Philippines. So, catch them on their Facebook page, F1 PH
Okay.
live viewing community.
Max Verstappen is
Nagme-meltdown na si Max.
Verstappen is chasing. Max Verstappen is chasing Charles Leclerc. Parang makukuha na
Max
natin si
Verstappen
Charles.
is melting down on the radio.
Oh, really? Grabe, no?
Pinapagalitan ni
Yeah,
si
high
GP
blood.
dahil sa strategy nila. And obviously, GP is, as usual, just gonna shrug it off. Parang wala na siya pake, no? Okay, sure.
Anyway, we are
Sana
on
ba
lap
si Verstappen?
54 right now. Lap 54, no signs of
Kaya pala
rain.
medyo irritable si Verstappen kasi nabalik siya sa P5. Leclerc na yung nasa
Yeah.
harapan niya.
Updated na bang F1
So he
dash
will
natin?
have DRS for this
No, it's not.
next
It's
one.
not.
So,
It's not.
Not yet. Okay.
maunahan
We're
niya si
having a hard
Leclerc niyan.
time with this one.
Tingnan natin.
It's really, I don't know how to update it.
Nag-freeze talaga.
Yeah, it's freezy. I even don't see you guys. But I
Oh?
see it in the live. Yeah, I see
Okay.
the live.
Baka yung feed. Kasi ikaw, okay ka pa naman.
Yeah, I know. I can
Okay
see
ka
the
naman sa
live.
amin.
I can see the live right here, but in my monitor, it's really,
Gusto
I
nyo,
don't know.
gusto nyo marinig yung radio message ni Verstappen?
Yeah.
Sige daw.
Ang daming
Ito.
Ang daming expletives eh. Too many expletives.
Marinig ba yun?
No. Guys, can you just, I don't have the comment section is already gone. So maybe you could just spill out some stuff para lang masabi niyo whatsoever.
Okay. Right
Comment.
now, we are on lap 56 of 70 laps race here in Hungary. Right now, we are looking at Lando Norris, Piastri, and Hamilton on top 3. Chasing them are Charles Leclerc, Verstappen, and Carlos Sainz. Okay, Verstappen is 4/10 of a second away from Charles for 4th position, while Carlos Sainz is 5 seconds away from Max Verstappen.
Yun,
Interesting.
thank you, Mas. Okay. So right now,
Our top 8 runners currently did 2 pit stops already, and only Lewis Hamilton is running on hards.
Hards,
right
yes,
now.
okay. Got it. I have a
While-
live F1 now.
While
my
Lewis Hamilton, while George Russell is doing purples right now on his hards. Lap
Yam,
56
nandiyan ka
na
pa,
po
Yam?
tayo.
Yam?
Yup. I'm
Ah,
here. I'm
alright,
here.
alright,
Yes,
alright,
yes,
okay,
yes.
okay. Yeah. I don't have a monitor already, so that's it.
Yeah. Si Shaira Janina, swap position daw, Lando. Hopefully, he'll follow.
Yeah, okay.
Probably, Shaira, parang hindi. Kasi Piastri is 3.3 seconds away from him. Eh. So, he has a good pace na. Sayang. Na-undercut ni Lando si Oscar.
Oscar Piastri. Actually, isa sa mga rason bakit furious ito si Max Verstappen sa current position niya. Kasi gustong-gusto niya magka-podium ulit eh. Kasi gusto niya magbalos. Gusto niya
Ay,
maganti.
Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen took Charles Leclerc na.
Okay.
Overtake na niya.
Gusto niya maganti kay Lando Norris for breaking his trophy last year.
Oh, really? Was that really petty, huh?
Ano lang. Kwentuhan lang. Usapang F1.
Alright. So far, Norris.
George
This is-
Russell took Yuki Tsunoda. George Russell is on fire.
Ang layo na yun, ha?
Yes, George Russell is doing purples on the first sector. He did it in 29 and 4/10 of a second. Still second. Very good.
Si Sainz, in fairness kay Perez, pasok siya sa points, yes. Pero he could have done better. Di ba? Sana top 1, top 2, top 3 pa din siya with Max. Kaya yun, medyo pabigat nga ng konti. And McLaren has to, donate chooks to go to Perez kasi they are
Bakit
catching up
chooks to
on the
go?
points. Yeah, they are catching up on the points because of the misfortunes of Perez for the couple of races.
Oh, who's eating something?
Iyan!
Oy,
Who's eating
sino kumakain? Oy, sponsor ba yan?
Who's eating anything?
Yes, si Sainz.
Sponsor ba yan?
Mas may
Hindi,
ambag
hindi
pa si
natin
Checo
sabihin
sa
ang pangalan.
McLaren kaysa sa Red Bull. Correct.
Yeah.
So dapat dapat talaga bigyan nila ng pasalubong yan si Checo.
Oo.
Dapat
Kahit
bigyan nila
pa-chooks
ng
to go
konting
lang, okay
Porky
na.
Best. Yan, may voice over na tayo, ha. May voice over na. Porky Best. The best
Grabe.
pork.
Lugi kami nito.
That Kulelat move was brought to you by
Kasi may slowest pit stop na tayo. JNT
From
na yan.
JNT. Oh, kawawa na JNT. Yan pa naman yung career partner natin.
Oh.
Promotion.
Baka
Promotion pa rin yan,
baka
Joe.
mabadya.
That's media mileage.
Eh,
Media mileage yan, Joe.
kanila tanong. Panchat pa tayo. Oh,
at least
nangyari dito.
JNT late lang ng konti pero nadi-deliver, di ba? Ang delikado kung ang pangalan ng courier. Ang delikado kung ang pangalan ng courier is DNF.
Yeah.
Kung
Ay,
may
nako.
Kung may courier company ako, DNF ang tawag.
Kalokohan. DNF. Ano nangyari dito sa mga frontrunners natin? Verstappen is 1.3
Live.
behind Hamilton. P3.
Yeah. Live
see?
live pa ba yung comments natin, Jong?
I don't know.
Yeah,
I,
live
I,
pa
I don't have a monitor. I don't have a monitor. You just need to.
Live pa ang comments actually.
You just need
Live
to
pa
ang
say
comment.
something. I don't have a monitor right here. My system again freezed. I don't know why.
Mm.
So
Baka,
Oh well,
baka
Jong.
okay lang yan.
Jong,
yeah.
Jong, tingin ko dyan, Jong, parang ayaw niyang gumana pag linggo.
Kakakarera na namin kanina. Hindi, alam ko na. I have a fix right here. So, we'll see. I need to have
Hindi mo
another
lang
computer
ma-implement
for
yung fix
F1
kasi
Dash.
mapuputol naman yung live, no?
Yeah, it looks like that I need to have a computer for F1 Dash. It's not gonna work in one PC only.
Kailangan mo na bagong computer para sa dedicated na purple sector?
Yeah,
Ah!
F1 Dash.
Para sa
Ko,
computer. Para sa computer.
Para sa bagong computer.
Pumunta lang sa... Sige di, take it away.
Pentagon. Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Okay. Guys, 9 laps to go. Tama ba? Ari, 9 laps?
Ito po top 3.
Yeah, correct.
Eddie Niel,
Ah.
Norris, Piastri, and Hamilton. Lando Norris is leading this race.
Wow.
Ay, hindi pala Norris talaga and Piastri and Hamilton. Sorry, I was looking at the frozen screen there for a minute.
Sorry about
Lando
that. Sorry
Norris
about
is
the
leading.
frozen screen.
Oscar Piastri is 4.8 seconds behind, 4.9 seconds behind. Lewis Hamilton is another 10.6 seconds behind. So medyo malayo-layo yung gaps ng ating podium
Yeah.
races at the moment.
Max
Wag lang mag-choke,
Verstappen.
Norris. Jose Javier. Tama. Amen.
Max Verstappen is within DRS range
Yeah.
striking zone
Of Lewis Hamilton, yes.
Lewis
Hamilton.
Hamilton.
Yeah.
0.6
Yan
per
yung
second.
sabi ko kanina.
Shaira.
Lap 61 na kami, Shaira, lap 61.
Bakit gusto
Ito,
nila
Shaira.
kumabol si
Just-
Norris kay
You might want to check out F1
Wala
Dash.
humabol
That's
si Norris kay Hamilton.
F1dash.com.
Okay, Piastri.
Okay, sorry about the screen. It's a free screen right here, except for the comment section. So I don't know what's going on right here. So another fix, another learning curve.
Okay, Max Verstappen. Round the outside. Hinahabol niya si Lewis Hamilton.
There's a back marker in front. That's Albon.
He's right there.
Yeah.
He's
There we
right
go.
there. Malapit na yan.
So what will Hamilton do
Point
is to be
At the
on
moment,
the DRS
0.7.
range. Diba? With Albon.
Yes, he's within range.
Para maka,
Jong, I'd like you to try something. Can you bring up my screen? Kasi ako, I can share my screen and I can share F1 Dash.
I don't have control.
Ano na lang kaya?
I don't have control.
wala na
Now,
siyang control.
Ah, you don't have control
yeah,
talaga?
Yeah.
Ah, so nag-freeze talaga yung... Ah, okay.
Again.
Yellow flag! Lap 63.
Oh, why?
Track clear. Ano kaya nangyari doon? Nag-yellow flag sandali.
Gap
Tapos
ni Ham
nag-clear ulit.
kay Piastri is... Oy!
5 seconds.
There's a contact.
Wow.
There's contact between Max Verstappen and,
And
Charles
Lewis
Leclerc.
Hamilton.
Ah, yun pala yun.
May contact sila.
Why?
Oh,
Verstappen is...
wow.
Ay,
And
Verstappen
Charles
dropped
Leclerc
to 55.
nakalusot.
Verstappen
okay
dropped
pa
to
ba yung
fifth.
suspension niya? Parang... Oh, wow.
Good
that was
recovery.
bad.
Good recovery by Max Verstappen. Good recovery.
Wow, ang tibay ng suspension ng Red Bull.
Grabe.
How did he get
Magaling
away
si
with
Max
that?
na recover ka.
Wala man lang puncture. Imposible, walang puncture. No way. Wow, that was crazy.
Yeah. So
Wow,
slide
that was
down.
crazy.
Verstappen slide down behind Charles Leclerc with six
May
laps to
damage yan.
go. Six
Floor
laps to
damage
go.
siguro.
Miles, nandiyan ka pa ba?
Imposible na walang damage kay Verstappen yun.
Yes, nandito pa si Miles. Enjoying his chicharon. Porky Best
Miles,
chicharon.
padala mo naman dito.
Oh!
Yeah, wow.
Grabe, ang
Nice.
tibay talaga ng
Enjoy.
ano.
Yan.
Ang
Ng
tibay ng Red Bull.
Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari?
Yeah, I'm watching.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm watching the live
Between,
feed
ano,
kasi. I'm watching the
Verstappen
live
and
feed.
Hamilton.
That
Good
contact.
recovery talaga kay Max Verstappen by grabe.
Grabe, no? Paano niya na-survive yun? Walang may damage yan? Hindi ako makapaniwala na wala siyang damage. Ang laki kaya ng
Pero
bounce
grabe,
nun.
he was up in the air, di ba?
Iwas. Kaya nga, ang laki na,
There's a
Aray.
replay on that one.
Tapos, ano pa, tinamaan pa niya ang curb.
Teka,
Talagang,
walang
I'm
noted
looking
from
at the replay
FIA.
right now. That hurt.
Noted from the FIA.
Walang note ba eh. Walang
Wala
note.
pa.
Parang si Max Verstappen na may
Noted pa lang.
kasalanan eh.
Hindi, na ano niya,
Hindi, noted pa lang.
break,
Pero hindi siya under
late
investigation.
braking from Max Verstappen. Umabot si Lewis Hamilton sa may rear part niya kaya lumipad ang rear
Yeah.
part niya.
Ang likod niya.
Pero
Grabe.
before that,
Swerte
nag-lock
pa rin
up
si
siya eh.
Verstappen.
Nag-lock up.
Nag-slide na siya eh.
Yeah, he did.
Slide na siya, wala na siya magawa. Passenger na siya.
Max kahit paano. I can't
Passenger na
believe
lang siya,
he
hindi na
didn't
niya
retire right after that.
Kasi dumulas na
Wow.
yung kotse niya, hindi na niya ma-control. Pero grabe, he was up in the air but now, look, the Red Bull is still racing, di ba?
Okay, gentlemen.
Yeah.
We have 5 more laps
Malaban
to
pa
go.
rin.
5 more laps to go.
Wow.
Basahin ko lang yung mga positions. Top 3, we got Lando Norris, Oscar Piastri, and Lewis Hamilton. On 4th, at 3.7 seconds away is Charles Leclerc, followed by Max Verstappen, who was previously running 4th. He had a contact with Lewis Hamilton. And the distance between Verstappen and Leclerc is roughly 2 seconds away. And followed by Carlos Sainz, Sergio Perez on 7th, Russell is on 8th, Yuki Tsunoda on 9th, and on 10th, and the last point position is Lance Stroll. Okay. Yuki Tsunoda, the time gap between George Russell is 28.7 seconds. So, malayo na. While Lando Norris is extending his lead over Oscar Piastri, 6 seconds away from each other. Okay. Lewis Hamilton is 14 seconds away from Oscar Piastri. So, I think kung tuloy-tuloy na ito, at 4 more laps, we could see the top 3 already. McLaren engines on the podium.
The radio call to Norris is, you win championships not by winning, but it's all for the team. Kaya they need to change position para magtaas yung points din ni Oscar.
Oh,
Paakyat,
wow.
diba?
Really?
Yeah,
Really?
kaya
Yan ba?
they are telling Lando na change position sila.
Wow.
Kailangan humabol ni Piastri. Norris cannot slow down, di ba?
Yeah,
Yeah, yun nga sabi
definitely.
ni Norris. Sabi niya, sige, mas maganda yung gulong niya kaysa sa akin. So habulin niya ako. Ngayon, grabe, ginahangyo na nila. They are asking Lando to change position for points sake para ma-pull si
Piastri.
Oscar Piastri, yung points niya, ma-pull if ma-first siya dito. Di ba?
The gap is
So that
really
doesn't make sense
realistic.
on a team level kasi 1-2 sila eh.
No,
It
no,
wouldn't
no.
matter.
Yeah, but the gap
no.
is realistic enough to make Piastri's first
Sa-
win.
Sa
For me.
sa driver points, Andy, di ba?
Drivers
yung rank,
points talaga.
yeah, yung ranking niya would would catapult him on another level na siguro. Siguro by
Hmm.
nasa 3 na siya or nasa 5.
Oh, here's a question for you guys. If you are Lando Norris, would you relinquish your position
I wouldn't.
to Oscar
Ang
Piastri?
layo ni Oscar eh. Buti sana kung within 1 second or 2 seconds lang. Ang layo ni Oscar eh.
He's closing in. He's closing in. Piastri is
It's
already on the
closing,
lead.
pero malayo pa rin.
Piastri is
Ayun
on the
o.
lead right
Ayun na
here.
talaga. Ayun.
Yeah, Piastri is
That's
already
it.
on the lead. Yeah,
They've done
that's
it.
it.
Piastri
Yeah, they've
took
done
it.
it.
Swap. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, for me, I grab it.
Wow.
Grabe, come
I
Yes.
I wasn't expecting that.
Come
Yeah.
on.
Wow.
No.
Oh my God.
It's
Oscar Piastri is
for
going to
me,
win his first race.
well for me if
Oh
I
my
were
God.
if I were if I were Piastri, I will not do that. I will not go the easy way. Di ba?
Of course.
It is
Yeah.
what it is, di ba?
Was it a team call or
Team call.
was this a
Team
team
call
call?
talaga.
De.
Cheers.
For me, it's it's
Sino-
really a team
Sinong
call.
decision to? Weird
So
naman.
there's nothing you can do if there's a team call. It's a team player eh.
Hmm.
So at the end of the day, Piastri is just a sophomore, tama ba? Or rookie? Sophomore, di ba? Miles?
Yeah. Mali ito, mali. This is bad.
Yeah, this doesn't feel right.
No.
Hindi, I'm
Guys,
listening.
this is-
I'm listening to the radio messages right now. I'm listening to my radio messages.
Okay, guys.
It's really clear sa tono ng boses ni Lando Norris na parang hindi ako payag nito.
Hindi siya happy.
Pero I'm not happy with it. Yan nga. I'm not delighted.
Hmm.
But anyway, tulad ng sabi ni Yamboy,
Wow.
you could, for your first win, you should have it
weird.
on merit. You should have it on
Yeah,
merit.
Yeah.
own merit ka.
Or at least
Own merit
you should,
ka.
you should have top third na lang.
Kung
Grabe
ako
no.
si
Pero,
Oscar,
I mean, let's not take it away from Oscar kasi this will be his first win. Yay. Pero yung circumstances lang ba no na ang weird naman ng circumstances na ganito yung ginawa ng team.
pangit. This
Weird,
is
oh.
really bad.
Weird.
This is really bad.
Well,
It's
the internet is mainit na naman ang
Yeah,
internet
well,
it's
because
like
of this.
At least,
it's like
at least may mapag-usapan tayo this Tuesday night for the race breakdown.
no, it's like
This will be a bit of a talking point for all of us.
yeah, gents, it's like Schumacher and Barrichello, no. So same
Pretty much.
scenario.
Pretty much Schumacher and Barrichello all over again.
Yeah, Schumacher,
Pero
Barrichello all over
wow,
again.
this was wow.
No problem. No problem.
Wow.
Yeah. So,
Wow.
Going to comments tayo. Going to
Yeah,
comments.
please, guys. I cannot read it.
CC Signs.
Uh.
Before pa kay CC Signs, may nag-comment pa. Yes, Barrichello Shumi Days. Team orders. Nung panahon pa ni Jean. Okay. Parang kindergarten yung McLaren Radio. Teamwork is important.
McLaren Radio.
To make the
Parang
dream work.
Parang Fernando is faster than you lang yan.
Yeah. Teamwork. To make the dream work.
Fernando
Teamwork
is
to make
faster
the
than you.
Anyway. Allowed po ba yon sa rule FYI? Yes, it is allowed in the rule book.
Team orders.
Yes. Team orders.
Team
Walang
orders
yan.
yan.
It's part of the strategy for maximization of points, di ba? So tama yung. Kumbaga, the strategy wise tama naman pero somehow it leaves a bad taste in your mouth, di ba? Considering
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say earlier. No, like, it leaves a bad taste in the mouth. Thank
So
you,
here we
Miles.
go. Checker
Diba,
flag, right?
kasi you want them to win, yung parang out of their own effort, di ba? Kahit nga minsan, kahit out of merit man lang, di ba? Pangit minsan. So,
gentlemen,
talagang
tapos ng
iba
karera.
ang ano nito.
Checker flag.
Gentlemen.
Gentlemen.
Ayun,
tapos na
checkered
karera.
flag.
Panalo na.
He's done
Panalo
it.
na si
Oscar
Piastri.
Piastri has won his first race. His first Grand Prix, I should say. Ozzy, Ozzy, Ozzy!
Yeah.
Congrats, Oscar.
So, lots to
Wow.
talk about,
Pero,
no?
yeah, that was strange.
Miles,
Okay.
to say
So,
the
Jong,
Can you do
tama
that?
na. Okay. Ito na lang. Okay. Hungarian Grand Prix is finished. natapos natin all 70 laps. Okay, Oscar Piastri won ahead of Lando Norris at a very controversial call between the team. Okay.
Yeah.
And rounding up the podium is Lewis Hamilton, who finished 12.7 seconds away from Lando Norris. On fourth, we got Charles Leclerc, followed by Max Verstappen, who had an incident, a contact with Lewis Hamilton before battling for
Wow.
third position. Following Verstappen is Carlos Sainz at sixth. Sergio Perez
Sorry.
on seventh. George Russell on eighth. Yuki Tsunoda and Lance Stroll for the last
Yan.
point position. Okay. So there you have it, the Hungarian Grand Prix. Catch us again sa Tuesday.
Yeah, we have to talk about it.
Okay. Actually, the watch along is not yet done. Okay? So feel free to comment pa kung meron pa kayong ano. It will be very
Yeah, we'll
interesting.
keep this
Magandang
going for
topic.
just a little bit longer.
Yeah.
Let's keep this going for a bit longer. I want to see everyone's comments. Ano bang masasabi ng lahat sa nangyari?
Yeah.
Take it away.
Guys, I don't have the control already, ha? I don't have the control already.
Carlos Sainz.
Sige lang. Okay lang yan, Jong. Ano tayo? Parokya ni Edgar tayo. Bigla lang mawawala.
O nga, no?
Just
Kaya
pull
na
the
last
plug.
time.
But anyway, hindi pa po tapos ang watch along party natin. Feel free to comment kung meron kayong gusto sabihin. Diba?
Natawa ko sa sinabi ni Sarah dito, parang office lang. We are family, tapos may pa-pizza kay Lando after. Accurate. How accurate is that?
Magpa-chooks to go. Pero wag dapat nila
Oo.
makalimutan na mag-chooks to go sila kay Perez, ha? Wait lami.
Yeah.
I mean,
I don't know.
This was... We have a lot to
Yeah,
discuss
there's
on
gonna be
Tuesday.
A lot of discussion.
Join us on Tuesday.
I think we need a lot of, insights on what really happened, what are the, I think Zach Brown will be talking on what is the sort of, the...
Ito na lang. Jong, ito na lang, Jong. Ito sa akin, Let me start it off. Okay. Even though Oscar Piastri won it through team orders, but we cannot discount the fact that the Papaya Boys, Team McLaren, did well in Hungary. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
Free practice pa lang and qualifying, they did well. Okay.
Yep.
So purely,
Tama na sila. Yep.
they won on merit, di ba? Yun na lang. Yung order
Purely,
lang sa
yeah.
akin,
The team won.
they
Purely,
deserve,
yeah.
they deserve the win.
Yeah, the
They
team
They
won.
deserve
the
this
win.
win. Yeah.
Yes.
But,
Yun na lang
yeah,
yung
I mean-
the controversial call Yun na yun. So we cannot know. And congratulations din pala to Lewis Hamilton for once again getting a podium.
Yes. P3
Magkakasunod
number
na-
200. Grabe. His 200th podium. Ipinian.
Yeah.
Grabe Lewis. Resurgent talaga ang Mercedes.
Teka,
But
may ano na
today,
naman. May ano na naman.
Napapayongin.
Jollibee fastest pit stop.
Jollibee fastest lap. Kailangan na nila ng slogan rin.
Oh,
Kailangan
Grabe
nila
Jose
pa
slogan.
Javier.
sa FB page ng F1.
GNT's
Well,
lowest pit stop.
ay.
O parang si
Ganito na lang.
Leclerc
Para
yata
sa
yun,
mga
Trisek.
pamangkin natin na bago pa lang or my term is Netflix fans, di ba? This team call already happened sa modern era na, happened before na. Wherein this was with Ferrari, with the drivers Michael Schumacher and Rubens Barrichello. Okay, Rubens Barrichello was leading then, and there was a call to give the position to Michael Schumacher kasi para yung lead for the points, 'di ba? Para ma-extend, 'di ba? It left a bad taste before and kahit ngayon, hope magiging that would be a reference sa nangyari ngayon, di ba? What happened to Hungary
Mm.
would be reference
It
to
was
the
set a
Schumi
precedent, no?
Barrichello. So,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
Yes.
time to Google it up or YouTube, di ba? Marami yan sa YouTube or Google, di ba?
It will
Okay.
become a term kasi sa racing, 'di ba, Jong? They did a Barrichello on me. Mga ganyan.
Yes,
'Di
yeah.
ba? So magiging term na ito ngayon.
Ma-change na
They
yung
did a
term.
McLaren.
Yeah. They did a McLaren. They did a Piastri. Uh,
They did a Fernando is faster than you.
I don't know. I
Ay,
don't know.
nako.
I'm
Anyway,
waiting for the celebration eh.
Cool down room.
Lumalabas na
Cool
ba?
down
Hindi.
room sana.
No, on the
Wala pa.
podium itself. Kung ibibigay ba
Ay,
ni
podium,
Oscar
oh.
Piastri yung top step kay Lando Norris.
Ay, hindi.
Just
Kasi
like what,
ano yan, di ba penalty yan pag ganun?
ganun ba?
That
Oh,
I
yun-
I don't know.
Yun nangyari kay
Yun ang
Rubens
ginawa ni
Barrichello.
Schumacher after nung ano, yun ang ginawa ni Schumi before ni Michael Schumacher, pinakyat niya yung kasama niya sa sa podium.
Wait.
Ano ba yun? Ano nangyari na
Ah.
yun na naging penalty?
What's the comments?
Okay.
Russian GP, guys. Russian GP, Lewis and Bottas. Did this happen? I cannot remember.
Yeah, tama.
yung ano, Valtteri, this is James.
Hindi
Yeah,
siya
yeah,
na-penalize
tama.
nun?
Tama. No.
So,
Position,
Okay.
nag-swap na naman.
position
Oh,
swap.
Nico and Lewis interview.
Yeah.
Britney! Hi, Britney!
Binalik na naman. Pero grabe, I'm just looking at yung post ng F1 sa Facebook na about Piastri's win. Yung picture niya na winner siya. Ay, grabe ang mga tao. Ang daming nag-react. Galit.
Of course, who is not?
Oh, galit talaga.
Who is
Kasi,
not? This is British
it wasn't,
versus Australian. So, well,
Mm.
I don't know.
Hindi lang dahil sa British versus Australian. Yung talagang in general lang talaga.
Yeah.
Oh, galit ng mga tao kasi yun nga ang weird naman ng strategy nila.
Nagmaldito. Maldito si Max Verstappen. Over the radio, he was asked na check up raw for medical. Tapos, sinagot lang niya sa radio na papuntahin na lang yung mag-check up sa akin. Hindi na ako magpunta. Parang gano'n.
Bahala ka dyan.
Ano,
Maldito.
okay, guys, can you recall the Lewis Hamilton and Bottas incident compared to this? Because this one right here, McLaren is kinda fighting for the championship point standing. While Lewis, Hamilton, and Bottas during that time, are they really fighting for the championship standing or way ahead of the championship point standing? Can you recall?
Way ahead.
So they're way ahead, no? So more or
Driver
less
championship ang inahabol.
hinabol nila. Okay. So now, the biggest difference right here, according to the radio, which I haven't heard, na it's for the team. So, di ba? So, yun yung little bit of the di ba? So, the other one, Michael Schumacher and Barrichello wants Michael Schumacher to be the World Driver Championship winner. Now, Lewis Hamilton and Bottas, it's a clear win. If they're gonna give that position, Lewis Hamilton's gonna win for the World Driver Championship. Now, this one right here, they're not even competing for the World Drivers Championship because they are just way below. So I think that team,
255 pa rin si Verstappen.
Yes. World
leading
pa
pa rin.
siya? Leading pa siya. So this is
Ang
the
layo.
team, no? So I'm not quite sure. We could consider a different scenario between Barrichello and Schumacher and Lewis Hamilton and Bottas. So yun lang yung idea ko because normally those things happens on five races to go, 5 rounds to go, 6 rounds to go.
Kaya nga hindi ko na-gets eh. Oo.
Yeah.
Jong,
Kaya nga exactly to your point, Jong, no, na hindi ko na-gets ano ang strategy ng McLaren kasi at this moment after this race, Lando Norris is now 171 points. He is in second place in the driver standing. Max Verstappen is 255 at P1.
malayo.
If Lando
Malayo.
had won today, mas malapit sana siya sa kay Verstappen. Hindi ko talaga gets. Ewan ko. Can someone explain this to me?
Yeah,
sige lang,
Nagets
Dave.
mo yan? Nagets mo?
Di, sandali lang, Dave.
Nagets niyo?
Gitext ko
Exactly.
na si Zach Brown. Hintay na lang ako ng reply ni Zach Brown. But anyway,
Sige nga.
gentlemen, ito na lang. Merong ano yung F1 FIA stewards, okay? The collision between Max Verstappen and Lewis Hamilton will be investigated after the race. So, hintay lang tayo ng ano.
Wala. May ano pa, may twist
Hintay
pa.
lang tayo decision. But anyway,
May twist
ganito.
yan.
If Lewis Hamilton will be handed a penalty, what do you say, 5 seconds penalty? The final time between Hamilton and Leclerc is 4.8 seconds. So if Hamilton is ruled to be at fault and be given a 5-second
Palit sila.
penalty, palit sila. Hamilton would drop down to number 4 and Charles would be on 4th. So,
Yeah.
yun na nga. Malaki pa yung gagawin ng FIA. Diba? So, yun yung latest, kumbaga.
Pero ewan ha,
5
highly, sa tingin ko lang, highly unlikely na penalty yun. What could have Lewis done to avoid that? Parang wala naman. Si Verstappen naman talaga yung, ano, di ba? Siya yung umuna tapos siya yung he outbreak himself, di ba?
Late
Nag-lock
breaking.
siya eh,
is
nag-lock.
not-
Yeah.
O, nag-lock up siya eh. So, I'd be surprised kung penalty ito against Hamilton. If anything, it should be a penalty to Verstappen
I don't think
for
so.
causing the collision.
No. Wala namang ano. Nothing to be ashamed of, di ba?
Yeah.
Walang kasalanan si Oscar Piastri, okay? Let us not give Oscar Piastri the ano. Walang kasalanan si Oscar Piastri. He was just following orders.
Wala. Ang team talaga to.
Even himself. He would...
Yeah, it's a team thing.
Ah.
Sino kayo na pasimuno nito?
If
Brown to ba?
if for example,
Norris, Piastri, and
Ah.
Hamilton will be on the podium.
if for example Piastri was like Verstappen during his earlier days, nasabi niya, I don't want to win that way, 'di ba? So kung ako Oscar, sasabihan ko din ang team, ayoko nang gano'n na panalo. Pero that's just me. Pero since team orders nga, wala tayong magawa.
Yeah,
Pero-
definitely, yeah.
During the earlier days of Max Verstappen, when he was told na you can change position with Daniel, sabi talaga niya na, no, I don't want to win that way. 'Di ba? So,
Gusto niya, race
Well,
karera talaga.
medyo
Laban
mainit
talaga.
ang ulo ni Lando sa sa
Oh,
cool down room.
definitely. So,
Of course.
hindi, for me, ano
Oh,
lang,
cool down room.
this should be happening on certain levels na tipong, sabi ko kanina, di ba? Kumbaga, on the line yung team championship point standing o world driver championship point standing, but hindi kasi eh. So, baga,
Kaya nga
Norris
weird,
is my top driver, so I need to protect him, something like that. I don't
Yes.
know. I don't know. Diba? I don't know. So, could have been a second win, so maybe the team just wanted to see that are my boys really obeying my orders, so sort of, parang ganon. Tingnan natin sino bang bad boy sa dalawa, or something like that. So, now I can say that both of my drivers right now are,
Team players talaga.
team players talaga, and not only that, both of them already have a podium win or a win, di ba? Something like that. So, I don't know. Or maybe because of this, dahil sa itong senaryo, dahil sa itong, ano man tawag yun, yung kumbaga, ano nga tawag niya, marites or whatsoever na tipong pangyayari, lumaki yung ano ng McLaren or something. Malaki yung kanilang, I don't know. So, a lot of things here in play, no? So, alam natin. Both of respects for these two drivers. Of course, because both of them agreed to race right here. But if you're talking to Carlos Sainz, stop inventing. Ano yun sabi ni Carlos Sainz? Stop inventing.
Yeah, stop
Tama?
inventing.
Oh, see? If gagawin ni Norris, baka maging public enemy number one siya. Di naman siya maging public enemy number one. But of course, what happened to Carlos Sainz a while ago when he said that stop inventing, don't do this, don't do this. So, di ba? Parang ganun no? What a nice gift for Piastri. Definitely. So, because for me, sa simula pa lang ng karera, Piastri was able to show, a good start di ba? A good start, a good whatsoever. Or maybe, gents, Miles, are you here? Okay, maybe, gents, there was a call in the team order on pits na biglang nauna si Norris because of, ano yung term ginamit nyo kanina na tipong highball or something, no? So, baka siguro gusto talaga nilang manalo si Piastri. Because pag simula pa lang, kumbaga, back in their minds, we want, sino nauna? Si Piastri. Nagpakita ng magandang gilas si Piastri. Something like that. And suddenly, dun sa pit scenario nila, biglang nagbigay ng advantage kay Norris or something like that. Maybe there is a mistake right there na
Kahit
suddenly.
ganun ang
I don't know.
kahit ganun
ito
ang
na lang.
scenario, kahit parang gusto nilang planado nila na ipapanalo si Piastri from the start, it's highly unlikely sa tingin ko. Kasi you start out with you start out with the drivers ideally on equal footing, di ba? Parang weird naman na sa simula pa lang sabihin niyo kagad na papanalunin niyo yung P2 ninyo si Piastri at the time. Ewan ko ha. Excuse me, wala ako.
Pero Jong, ito na lang. We'll go to the comments Carl Angelo is saying something to Lando Norris. Okay. Giving a win sa kapwa driver can give you a driver world champion. So, malay mo, Lando Norris should be WDC. Di natin alam. Diba? We're still race number 10. Number 10 ba tayo?
We're already halfway. So this 12.
12 na pala. Sorry.
Yeah. We're already halfway. Yeah.
Okay, Carl Angelo, can you share with us kung ano yung nagustuhan mo? I like what they said in the radio team of McLaren. Kindly.
Now, I am actually looking forward to what the team said on the radio. They said we will have a lot of wins pa in the future. So bantay lang
So maybe they are very confident that,
I
let's
think
give this to Piastri
that's how confident they are. Na kaya na nilang manalo.
Yeah, I think they are they're on the top 3 na. McLaren is top 3.
Lando, sirain mo yung trophy, Lando.
Sige nga. Nawala na yung feed ko. May feed ka pa yan? Trophy, Trophy celebration na ba? Okay. Awarding na ba?
Awarding na, yeah.
Okay, Andy, ba't di ka tumindig? Tindig ka, national anthem nyo. National anthem nyo yan. Ba't di ka nakatindig?
Anyway,
Anong national anthem di? Oh, mate, can you see?
Waltzing Matilda.
By the dawn's early light.
all right.
Actually, our friends from motorsport.com, di pa nila na nagkakaugaga pa siguro sila in running to Zach Brown or Andrea Stella to to ask for feedbacks or reaction interview. So, abangan lang natin in a few hours lalabas na yan sa kaibigan natin sa
Yeah.
motorsport.com and autosport.com. And as
Lalo
always
na-
sa The Purple Sector.
Lalo na ngayon na stars to? Itong mga pandits mamaya, maraming Union Flag Boys eh. Diba? They will really react.
Mga Briton.
Oh, yeah.
Oo. Lando Pop pa rin. There's the Lando Pop for the champagne.
Yes.
Ah.
He's happy.
Nandiyan pa rin
He's
ang
happy.
Is it happening
He's
already?
happy
pa rin
for
siya
the
for the
team.
team.
Is it
Yeah,
happening?
yeah,
Busy nga lang.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Martin
Sige,
is back.
pwede na siguro tayo kasi baka wala na tayo pag-usapan sa Tuesday.
All right, so that's it,
Right, no?
guys.
Baka maubos
Gents,
natin ngayon. Hindi pa ako.
that's it. Luckily, I was able to grab the control of my whole system. We're back. So, guys, before we go, unahin natin yung na-late, no, Mr. Sarenas?
Okay, that was an exciting race. Okay, congratulations to McLaren boys and Lewis Hamilton, who rounded up the top 3 on the 3rd spot. Okay, anyway, once again, thank you for joining us on our second watch-along party. Not that perfect, but hope you enjoyed it. Technical glitches, ayusin lang natin. Don't worry about that. Your titos are on it. And once again, thank you for spending your Sunday night with us. And tomorrow is Monday, another week. Hope you guys have a great one, and I'll catch you on Tuesday.
All right. Thank you, Miles. Andy?
All right. Thank you for joining us tonight, everyone, for our live watch along. Fun race towards the end. Medyo nga lang. Well, congratulations pala for Oscar Piastri. First ever F1
Yeah, win.
Grand Prix win. Sorry inaatake ako ng asma. Anyway. Yeah. Technical glitches. Physical glitches. Sorry. But yeah. Fun night. We'll catch you on Tuesday. Hopefully magaling na ako by then.
Tuesday.
I need to take my puffers.
Yeah.
Night.
All right. Yum.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining us on this watch along. Hopefully, we could continue this, pero syempre, it all depends on our schedules. But salamat pa din na you flocked our comment sections with today's exciting and controversial race. Marami tayong pag-uusapan on Tuesday. Get ready with your answers din. Baka meron kayong mga nabalitaan of what really happened on the team and the calls they did. So yun. All right. Jong.
All right. So, haven't you noticed that since we started our watch along, we have 2 different winners? So, maybe we could continue this so that we'll be able to have different winners.
Pwede. Belgium
love
tayo
it.
sunod. Belgium
So,
tayo sunod. Belgium.
yeah, what's the next one? Belgian Grand Prix, tama ba? In Belgium?
Belgian Grand Prix.
Spa? Tama na, okay. Wow, my favorite racetrack. Okay, so you'll know. So, 2 weeks from now ba? Tama ba? Is it 2 weeks from now? Okay, there you go. Wow. That's my favorite racetrack. Anyway, guys, so thank you so much for joining us tonight. Another glitches, another learning curve, another learning stuff that we have to, check out with the F1 Dash. So we need to, But nevertheless, thank you so much to our friends from Golf, Pirelli, and Heineken. And of course, for making it possible for another watch along tonight. As you can see, we were drinking and even Miles eating chicharon. So maraming salamat po for joining us. Another Sunday of fun, another Sunday of exciting new winners on the podium. Imagine that. So guys, we'll see you this Tuesday, 8 o'clock. Don't forget, we're going to talk about in detail, of course, with our Yam analysis, Mr. Yamboy Kagyat, to tell us what really happened in detail on Tuesday. So, Miles, Yamboy, and Andy, we'll see you Tuesday. So, everybody, thank you so much for joining us. Maraming salamat po. And good night, and we'll see you this Tuesday. All right, good night. Bye.